The biological father has committed the act on his daughter who was about 10 years old at the time.
Yes.
स्कूल से लौटकर मैं घर पर आई थी, मेरी माँ प्रार्थना पर चली गई थी, तो मेरे पापा ने रात में मेरे साथ आकर the act was committed. मैं चिल्ला रही थी, रो रही थी, फिर मेरे साथ the act is there. किसी को मत बताना नहीं तो जान से खत्म कर दूंगा.
क्या वो इसकी रिपोर्ट आ गई क्या?
जी साहब,
क्या कहती है रिपोर्ट?
आइटम नंबर 14 and 15 my lord.
सीरियल नंबर 14
जी सर.
क्या कहा?
There are two explanation. First is the my lord scientific officer.
क्या कहा?
Regional. पहले तो 14 में बताया साहब कि 19 फरवरी को हमको मिल गई थी.
आगे पढ़ो ना.
He says the DNA report was not conducted because I gave my FSL report and I after that gave it to the police. Police ने impliedly saying कि police ने क्या किया I do not know.
Last 4 line my lord, 5 line.
पढ़िए.
The quantity of the semen spots on these exhibits was not sufficient for serum testing. The remaining some dense DNA was left for testing, from which DNA testing could be done. Slide C1 had 2 slides, one of which was microscopically tested and reported, and the remaining 1 slide and some vaginal swabs were kept safe for DNA testing in future. Copy of letter dated 28/5/14 along with FSL mark Annexure D3. 20/6/14 को हमने पुलिस स्टेशन में भेज दिया था. Annexure D3 is the DNA report.
कहाँ है DNA रिपोर्ट?
FSL report Annexure D3 में.
D3
मैम.
इसी के साथ एनक्लोज किए उन्होंने.
जी साहब.
वही तो हमने कहा जब इसमें मानव शुक्राणु पाएगा तो डीएनए टेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया गया?
क्योंकि वो 2016 के बाद मैंडेट हुआ है, 2016 पहले नहीं था.
अब अभी हमने ये भी तो पूछा था कि क्या अब टेस्ट किया जा सकता
कर
है?
सकते हैं, उसमें लिखा है.
लिखा है तो करके दीजिए, रिपोर्ट दीजिए.
सर.
In terms of the
May I just
affidavit of the scientific officer, we direct production of DNA testing report to be furnished to this court within 30 days.
इनके वो सब C1 का तो बता दिया उसने.
हाँ.
कि some vaginal swab were kept
सुरक्षित
safe.
रखिए ना, लिखा.
That is my only concern, my lord. In
In
10 years it has been lying with the police. This would be additional evidence under 391 which is acceptable, appellate court can take. My only request is if my lords may just probably before sending it call for the articles from the police, examine their custody before my lords
We
first.
will not. We will not.
But my lord, section 391 evidence can be taken that we do not dispute.
अभी उनको पहले टेस्ट रिपोर्ट आ जाने दीजिए, then you will have a right to.
My lords, but for 10 years what has been the custody? It is lying in the police station is what they say. And they are now saying that they want to take my sample now. Then of course there will be certain.
चलिए वे प्रोसिक्यूट्रिक्स के एविडेंस देख लेते हैं. चलिए.
My lords.
10 साल की बिटिया है.
हाँ नहीं I'll.
Father, present appellant is father.
मैं बता दूं सर. Well, as the prosecution story is that the biological father has committed the act on his daughter who was about 10 years old at the time.
Yes.
We submit, my lords, that I have been falsely implicated in this case.
Yes.
DNA report is a relevant document, but of course, my lords may just have the evidence also.
Evidence of.
My lords may have prosecutrix, she is PW 5.
जी.
There are 2 legal submissions, but I'll just give the facts first.
जी.
And the FIR is lodged on 8/2/14. Her prosecutrix is PW 5, my lords. She says, मैं कक्षा 4 सच एंड सच में पढ़ती हूँ. This is my step mother. पंजाब राव मेरे पापा हैं, मेरी मम्मी जल गई थी, उनके इलाज के बारे में मुझे नहीं मालूम. स्कूल से लौटकर मैं घर पर आई थी, मेरी माँ प्रार्थना पर चली गई थी, तो मेरे पापा ने रात में मेरे साथ आकर the act was committed. मैं चिल्ला रही थी, रो रही थी, फिर मेरे साथ the act is there. किसी को मत बताना नहीं तो जान से खत्म कर दूंगा. फिर मैंने मेरी नानी और मामी को बताया था, फिर मैं रिपोर्ट करने थाने चली गई थी. Thereafter the report is lodged, which is P4.
जी.
Now, Maharaj, I'll just give a small history. The biological mother of the prosecutor.
वो तो पढ़ लिया, डेथ हो गई उनकी.
हाँ जी.
हाँ.
After that, my lords, the younger sister of the biological mother of the prosecutrix, she was kept by the present applicant. She also died. And after that, the applicant got married to a third lady who was the mother who had then gone for treatment, in the absence of whom this act is alleged to have been committed. Now, my lords, may just see the cross-examination of this witness. Last line of para 2 is, ये बात सही.
किसका?
PW 5 only, my lords, prosecutrix. Last line of para 2.
हाँ पढ़िए.
ये बात सही है कि मेरी मामी मुझे पुलिस के पास लेकर गई थी. ये सही है कि मेरी मामी ने पुलिस वालों से बात भी की थी.
उससे क्या होगा? चलिए. लेकिन उसने ये तो कह दिया पैराग्राफ 3 की लास्ट लाइन में कहना गलत है कि मेरे साथ आरोपी द्वारा गलत काम नहीं किया गया।
जी, those are negative
Yes.
suggestions, my lord.
हाँ।
She of course
और
has to say.
मौसी के सिखाने
Now,
पर सत्य
what
कथन
we
कर रही हूँ।
what we say is why she's being falsely or why he's being falsely implicated in the
हाँ,
case.
because
Now, my lord, there is animosity that will come from PW6, who is the
PW6.
grandmother.
पढ़िएगा।
Ji. Examination in chief is in 1, cross examination is para 2, my lord.
हाँ,
साक्षी, सॉरी, प्रोसिक्यूट्रिक्स, मेरी पुत्री, दैट्स द नेम की लड़की है, इनकी मृत्यु हो गई है। मेरी इससे छोटी लड़की, दैट्स द सेकंड नेम,
हाँ,
जिसे बाद में पंजाब राव ने रख लिया था, भी खत्म हो गई थी।
जी।
इसके बाद प्रोसिक्यूट्रिक्स अकेली बची है। यह सही है कि इनके मरने के कारण मेरा पंजाब राव से झगड़ा झांसा होता था। यह सही है कि साक्षी कभी पंजाब के पास रहती थी, कभी उसके मामी के पास रहती थी। यह भी सही है कि इनके मरने के बाद पंजाब का पुष्पा से भी विवाद होता था। शी इज दी प्रेजेंट वाइफ।
हाँ।
यह सही है कि मुझे घटना वाली बात साक्षी ने नहीं बताई थी, पुष्पा ने बताई थी। यह सही है कि पुष्पा के बताने से उक्त बातें उसके बताए अनुसार ही मैं आज
We are concerned with the prosecutrix. We are
Yes.
not concerned with others
no
because it is
just
the prosecutrix who has undergone the agony.
yes
ठीक
no
है?
but there is
And
one
now there is
legal
no
issue.
suggestion to the prosecutrix that why she is falsely implicating you. It's a very poor case of cross-examination.
No, I'll just submit for one legal aspect is there in this
Huh.
case. The prosecutrix, my lords, is aged 10 years at the incident, 12 years at the time of examination.
Huh.
Before any suggestion can be given or before the court can even read the evidence of the prosecutrix, there is a requirement of 118 of the Evidence Act.
क्या
Now,
कहता है वो?
if my lords, may I just have my lords 118, I'll read it out for my lords. May I read for my lords?
हाँ, पढ़िए।
Who may testify? All persons shall be competent to testify unless the court considers that they are prevented from understanding the questions put to them or from giving rational answers to those questions by tender years, extreme old age, decease, whether of body or mind, or any other cause of the same kind. Now, my lords would be very well aware that whenever a child witness, my lords, prior to recording examination in chief, the trial court is set to
तो आपने आपत्ति क्यों नहीं उठाई उस वक्त की 118 में? आप unless with you ascertain the capacity of the child witness, you cannot record her statement.
My lords, I would submit that is not an objection for me to take. It's a procedural thing.
No, no.
And there is a requirement.
That will not defeat the case of the prosecution.
May I rely on one judgment if I may just show that to
दीजिएगा ना।
my lords. I've uploaded it on my lords' reference.
हाँ, बताइए कौन सा है?
What is the purpose of these questions?
जी।
And who has the liability, so to say, of performing this? My lords, may just have the reference. It is 2004, volume 1, SEC, page 60.
उसी को पढ़।
Ji, I've just highlighted a few parts, my lords, of it also.
पैराग्राफ कौन सा?
Just a moment, my lords. 6 to begin with, my lords.
6 पढ़िए।
This is, my lords, the 5th line from the top.
हाँ।
Little after, on the contrary, if my lords is found.
जी।
Section 118 of the Evidence Act envisages that all persons shall be competent to testify unless the court considers that they are prevented from understanding the questions put to them from giving rational answers to these questions because of tender years, extreme old age. That is the rest of the section. A child of tender age can be allowed to testify if he has the intellectual capacity to understand questions and give rational answers thereto. Now, Malad, this judgment further relies upon the judgment of Dattu Sehkare. I'll just read out a small portion.
जी।
Paragraph 7 was quoted. A child witness, if found competent to depose to the facts and reliable one, such evidence could be the basis of conviction. In other words, even in the absence of oath, the evidence of a child witness can be considered under section 118 of the Evidence Act.
वकील साहब को देख लिया हमने, पढ़ लिया।
जी. Just one last thing I wanted to show. What is the purpose of these questions? Because the contest is not
तो
only
मेरिट पर जब बहस करेंगे तब बताइएगा, ठीक है ना?
no. What I submit, my lords, is-
अभी there is no suggestion. This judgment in the concluding part
जी.
appears to be against you. Please पढ़ लीजिए।
No, the judgment is that of conviction. Judgment is that of conviction.
That's what I'm saying.
But what we say, my lords, is the
Sorry.
operative part is that.
Sorry.
I'll just sum it up, my lords.
ये जो है मर्डर केस है, 10 साल की लड़की इसमें 12 और पर्सनल दोनों में भी ये भी फैक्चुअल सिचुएशन देखनी चाहिए ना।
जी, थोड़ा सा तो
नहीं ना, कोर्ट को ऐसा लगा कि वो चीफ बढ़िया उसने चीफ दिया 8
जी।
लाइनों का क्रॉस हुआ, किसी को लगा ही नहीं कोर्ट में। भाई कोर्ट इफ फील्स तो किसी को फील ही नहीं हुआ ना प्रोसिक्यूशन एडवोकेट को, ना बचाव पक्ष के अधिवक्ता को, ना कोर्ट को।
वो जो सर इंक्वायरी है 4-5 क्वेश्चंस की जो यूजुअली होता है,
लेकिन अगर लगना भी तो चाहिए ना।
बिल्कुल. Now I'll just sum up my arguments. What we say is that The prosecutrix is a child witness. We have evidence, I'll just show it to my lord, that the FIR has not been registered at her insistence. The mommy has the FIR registered. The mommy and the nani both have an axe to grind against the applicant. They both admit that in their cross-examination.
But at the same time,
My lord.
prosecutrix has no axe to grind, and she has categorically stated what happened with her, and you have not been able to point out that she was deposing under the influence of mommy or nani. There is no question put to her that she is under the influence of, so we are sorry. क्या करना है बताइएगा
My lord, under the circumstances,
श्री
से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
within 30 days. Next, after arguing at length and unable to convince, prays for withdrawal of IA 20298 Vertex. Accordingly, it is dismissed as written.
My lords, could I pray that the matter, that they may comply with their thing and the matter may be posted for final hearing?
हाँ,
at
list
least?
for final hearing as per its turn and seniority.
The DNA report may be requisitioned for final hearing at least.
हाँ हाँ वो तो आ जाएगा
Um,
चलिए